Hi everyone, my name is Xena Balcazar. I'm an attorney here at Mandelbaum Barrett, and joining us today is Dennison of the Elder Law Group here at Mandelbaum Barrett, and we're going to be discussing how major life events like separation, remarriage, or aging can impact your estate planning and long-term care planning. Thanks for joining us, Donny. Based on your experience in dealing with your own clients and dealing with your colleagues and intersecting with the divorce department here, what are some things you see people do not realize will impact their estate planning the most when it comes to these major life changes?
Yeah, one of the most, I think, significant sort of life events that can occur that really requires an estate plan being addressed, readdressed, reconsidered is separation and divorce. As you mentioned, one of the most common sort of issues that come up is when someone is divorced or separated from a now former spouse. And there are issues with respect to irrevocable beneficiary designations on their accounts. Oftentimes, people forget to address those beneficiary designations in their marital separation agreements.
Right.
So oftentimes, that's the first thing we want to ask. Does the MSA address irrevocable beneficiary designations? That's number one. Number two, when it comes to someone's will, a client's will, we want to make sure that we don't have the now former spouse named in a fiduciary position like an executor or standing to benefit from the will. Oftentimes the law steps in and terminates those relationships, but we have a name taking up space and a void created by that name remaining in the old document. And so we want to address that void. We want to reconsider the appointments. Oftentimes, too, we want to take the opportunity to talk about the potential of remarriage, whether the client who has just gone through a divorce intends on remarrying, and if so, whether they intend on entering into a prenuptial agreement.
And if you want to learn more from our Elder Law team, please join us on May 19th at the Elder Law Day at Park Avenue Club.